Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you more about Capital Society, a new loyalty program from Capital Motion, and I'll be guiding you through how you can download it and a little bit about how you can register it and also how you can use it to earn and burn points within the micros. So let's get to our mobile. The application is available in both App Store and Play Store. So you can go to the store and you can search for Capital Society, or you can search for Capital Motion. So you'll get a results where you can see Capital Society. So you can download it. Once you download it, you need to register with your mobile number. You'll be getting an OTP. Then after that, you'll be asked to provide the first name, last name, nationality, date of birth, and some of the details to complete the registration process. So once you register, this is our home page. You can see that there are so many elements within the application. So on top you can see that there is a gold card that tell you about your customer category based on your transaction history. If you do more transactions in last 30 days, you'll be getting a very good customer tier and your cashback will be more depending on your customer category. So right now I'm in gold, and on the right hand side there is my wallet. My wallet contains a cashback amount which will be received after your transaction from the micros. So you can see that right now I have 180 dirhams. We don't deal anything with points. It's directly into dirhams cashbacks. So if you come down, you can see that there is today's event. It will show all the current events, today's event happening in all of our outlets. And when you come down, you can see all our venues. And if you click on any of the venues, you can see the details and the events happening in that outlets. So you have option to call, location, menu, book now, and so many other things. So you can go back the similar way. If you click on any event, you get more details about the events, and you have an option to call and other buttons. So this is our home button. When you go to the offers tab, here you can see that there are two sections here, my offers, and the second section is events and promotions. So in my offers, these are customized offers which will be pushed to you depending on the customer transaction history. So for example, on your birthday you get an offer, so that will be shown in this category which is called as my offers. But in events and promotion, you can see all the events happening throughout these coming up days, and you can click on any of the event to know more details about it. So we go to the third tab. This is a most important tab where we can identify a customer using a barcode or a customer ID, which is in this case 850-850-810-90627. And you also have an option to share your customer referral code to your friends, so that when they do the first transaction, you'll be getting referral bonus. So if you want to share, you can click on the share button. So a link will be shared which can be shared across all your social media, so that anybody who joins and do the first transaction, the person who shared will be getting the referral bonus. From the notification, you can see all your notification you get whenever there is a transaction happening. You get a thank you message, how much money you earned, how much money you used, and all those details will be coming here. And in the Me tab, this is our profile settings. If you go to my account, you can see all my first name, last name, email, nationality, date of birth, and these details can be changed later on also. And on the top right hand side, you can see your profile picture. You click on it and you have option to change it. So this is the basic overall view of our applications. So right now I will show you how you can use micros to earn points. So you can see that I'm sharing the micro screen from Siddhartha Launch. So once I log into the Siddhartha Launch micros, the normal way you'll be creating a check. For example, I will create a check on the table 300, and there is one guest. And for example, if I'm adding for testing purpose an item which is bread, which is 20 dirhams. So now we are at the closing level of the check, and we want to add customer details against this check. So we need to go to functions and discount. In the discount section, there is a new tab which is called as loyalty. There is a spelling mistake that will be corrected. Loyalty, and on the left hand side you can see CS loyalty. So from your customer application, whenever the customer wants to close the check with loyalty application, you can ask the customer, so do you have a loyalty program? If you don't have it, you can download it so that you can get cashbacks. If they are interested, you can push them to download it, or if they already have it, you can ask them to go to their wallet and share the customer ID. In this case, 850 810 90627. So once you type in the exact customer ID, you can write it on a piece of paper and come back to the Micros machine, then click on search. So for this one to work, there should be an internet connection. If there is no internet connection, it will not work. If in case there is no internet connection, you will not be able to redeem the points, but the customer are still eligible to earn the points, but you need to make sure that the customer ID is noted on a check copy and submitted to the IT for further processing if there is an offline issue. So once you scan, you can see that on the left hand side there is an offer which is happy hour. This is a product offer. If you want it, you can click on it. It will be added directly to the check with the zero amount. And on the right hand side you can see that the wallet amount, I have a wallet cashback amount of 180 dirhams. So if you want to apply to the check, right now the total check amount is 20. If I want to apply full amount, I can apply full, and you can see that CS loyalty redemption is applied as a discount type, and now the customer doesn't have to pay anything because he is using the wallet amount. So once you add a customer against any check, this check can be opened throughout any of the POS within the outlet, so that you don't have to rescan the customer. Now if you want to apply, the customer say that you don't want to apply full amount, only partial, he wants to pay from the wallet, so you can go to CS loyalty and click on 10 dirhams, for example, 10 dot apply partial. So now CS loyalty redemption is applied. So now we are going to close the check. So make sure that you do all your loyalty operations before you close the check. Click on payment, and now click cash or card. Then the remaining amount is 10 dot. Okay. So I have closed the check, and you can see that as soon as I close the check, I get a message, loyalty transaction status is success. So in this case, the loyalty process is success, and it has gone through it because there is internet connection. And whenever a check is printed out, the check print will contain the loyalty points used, and also the transaction status. The similar way, if I go to my notification, you can see that I got a message, thanks for visiting our venue, congratulations, you have earned cashback amount of 2 AED based on the total payment done and cashback earned successfully. These kind of messages, transaction details will be sent to the customer, and when I go to my wallet, you can see that it's 172 because I have used 10 dirhams and I have earned 2 dirhams. So from 180 it became 170, and I earned 2 cashback, so it's 172. So this is how we are going to use a loyalty program for earning and burning. So now you should be knowing how you can where you can find the customer ID, how you can search it in Micros, and also how to use wallet cashback for earning and redeeming purpose. So thank you so much. Once the Capital Society is launched, you will be able to start using the same within the Micros. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.